How old are they? 14, 14. No, Doug's 15.
It's videotaping, so yeah, it's on. You have to have proof of the cinnamon.
Lord, you guys are.
Alright, are you ready?
Dougie, face over here.
Dougie, look over here.
Dougie, look over here.
If you make this mess and you splatter all over the window, clean it up. Alright.
Alright, you got this.
Okay. I'm not responsible for
You
anything.
can do it.
Here we go. You'll see videos tomorrow.
Dylan, stop.
You can do it, Dougie. Come on, you can do it. He's choking.
Drink water.
Dylan, you're drinking in there.
Get water.
Oh, God, that looks gross.
I'm not going to do it while you're on there. Tell you that. We'll see video tomorrow. I'll let these poor guys try it.
I already did it
I'm not
before.
Oh, Dustin's not trying it.
I'm not doing it.
I'll do it again. I'm not scared.
He's over got a glass of water. He's gargling now. What are you doing, Dougie? Why do you have to gargle?
I want to get out my throat.
Just swallow the water.
Because that is right.
Dougie, how was it?
Good.